Did you know that in 2015, astronomers discovered a planet that resembles Earth by as much as 88%? It's called Kepler 438b. This is really exciting news because scientists have long been looking for worlds similar to our planet where life could exist. This planet orbits a star that is much smaller and colder than our Sun. Yet Kepler 438b is in what is known as the habitable zone. That is, it may well have liquid water on its surface, one of the main signs for the possibility of life. Imagine that one day humanity will face serious problems: overpopulation, climate change, environmental disasters. There may come a moment when the Earth will no longer be able to provide all the resources for normal life. Then, resettlement to another planet is no longer a fantasy, but a necessity. But, unfortunately, it's far from that simple. Kepler 438b is located about 470 light-years away. By comparison, even the fastest rockets mankind has now would take millions of years to get there. The main obstacle is the source of clean and powerful energy. Conventional rocket engines are not suitable for such a scale of travel. We need something fundamentally new. For example, thermonuclear reactors that can operate at much higher power and for a long time. In addition, there are huge difficulties with navigation in deep space, with the creation of stations and transfer bases where ships could be refueled and repaired. So far, mankind has responded to these challenges with only partial solutions. Currently, the United States, Russia, and China are the leaders in the space race. These are the countries that have the capabilities and ambitions to become the main conquerors of space. For example, Russia has developed the GLONASS satellite navigation system. China is developing its Baidu system, and America is developing the world-famous GPS. If these three systems combine with the internet, they could create something akin to artificial intelligence, a network that would help navigate the most remote corners of space. NASA is now actively exploring Mars, Saturn, and Mercury, paving the way for future transfer bases from which to venture further into the depths of space. Elon Musk, a billionaire and entrepreneur who dreams of colonizing Mars, deserves a special mention. His company, SpaceX, has already successfully delivered cargo into orbit dozens of times, improving rocket launch and landing technologies. Russia, in turn, is focused on Venus exploration, lunar missions, and the development of new rockets such as the Angara series of launch vehicles. It is these technologies that could be the basis for the starships of the future. For all these ambitious projects to become a reality, the world's space powers will have to join forces, and, there are already real examples of such cooperation. China, together with Russian scientists, is creating the world's largest thermonuclear reactor, a project that will potentially provide mankind with inexhaustible and clean energy. Uniting for the sake of space exploration is not just a scientific challenge, it's a chance for all of humanity. Even if we don't find or relocate to Earth's twin in the near future, the discoveries made along the way will make a huge difference. The new technologies, materials, energy solutions, and knowledge that science will gain will help us improve the quality of life here on Earth. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember, there are already many answers hiding in this vast cosmos, and who knows, maybe very soon we will take a huge step forward and open a new chapter in the history of mankind, going to conquer distant worlds.